A new order has been placed on my online store and instantly towards the customer an SMS of confirmation is been forwarded of their order. Do you think I've used any coding and programming skills to create this amazing connection? No, I've just simply used Pabbly Connect and all my work is automated. In this video, you will learn how you can send SMS alerts for Shopify orders automatically. I am an owner of an e-commerce business and I manage my online store using Shopify. Over here, as soon as a new order has been received on my Shopify store, automatically towards the customer I've placed the order and SMS is forwarded using Twilio. So now if you want to learn how you can build the connection between these two applications as well, for that I am going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Let us place a test order on our Shopify store. So this is my store right here. You can see my store is right here, and now let us place a new order. I want to place an order for this cream, that is Hydra Dew Moisturizing Cream. Okay, I am going to click on buy it now button. Now it is asking for my details. For the email address, let's suppose I'm going to write it as best@pabblytudes.com. Country is India. First name is best, last name is customer, address is 112A, new city. Okay, so this is the address right here. Apartment, I do not have that, so I'm going to skip the part. City is Indore. Pin code, I'm going to enter a dummy pin code, and for the state I will select the state right here. Okay, then it is asking for the phone number, for which I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. Okay, next it is asking for the shipping method, that is going to be standard, and for the credit card details I will enter dummy details right here and simply click on this pay now button. As soon as I am going to do that, as soon as I'm going to click on this pay now button, the order is going to be confirmed on my Shopify store. Now I will open my phone and I will show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone as soon as this order was placed. So let me show you the screenshot right now. So this is the screenshot of the SMS. You can see sent from Twilio trial account. I do not have Twilio paid account, that is why I've received this kind of an SMS with the above sentence. If you have a paid account with Twilio, this sentence won't be visible to your customer's phone. Okay, it says, hello best customer, your Shopify order has been received successfully. We'll notify you once it's shipped. Okay, so this is the kind of SMS that is forwarded towards my customer as soon as the new order was placed on my Shopify store. So now let us see how this amazing automation is created, and I will teach you the step-by-step process of how this amazing automation is created. So on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and then Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here in this space, you can share your ideas, ask questions, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find a link of our community in the description section below. Okay, on Pabbly Connect's landing page, there are two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. And if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. You will come to the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications of Pabbly. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. And then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we are going to create a new workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner. Now it is asking for us to select the workflow builder type. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here. Firstly, it is asking for us to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as send SMS alerts for Shopify orders automatically. For the folder, I'm going to select the workflows folder. To create your own folder, click on this plus button. Then I will create this workflow from here. As now this workflow is created inside Pabbly Connect, there are two major steps in a workflow, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. For the trigger application, I will select over here as what Shopify Shopify. I want that as soon as a new order has been placed on my Shopify store, automatically the trigger should capture the response of that. Event is going to be new order, as I want to capture the response of the new order. Okay. Then click on the connect button. You will find the webhook URL. This URL is going to act as a bridge between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. In simple word, that means whenever the new order is going to be placed on my Shopify store, Shopify is going to collect the data, send it through this bridge to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now to build the connection, you have to follow the steps given here below in the help desk. Log into your Shopify store, go to settings, and then go towards the notifications section right here. Go towards the webhook section. Click on this create webhook button. For the event, select the event as order creation right here, because we want to send the response of the order created. Format is going to be JSON. For the URL, simply copy this URL from here and paste over here in the field. Okay. Then it is asking for the API version. Select the latest one and click on the save button. The connection has now been created, as now this webhook is saved successfully. As now this webhook is added right here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to go back to my workflow. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether the connection is successfully done or not, let us place another test order on our Shopify store. So let me open the preview page of my store. And now for placing the order, I am going to select the product, that is Sun Shield SPF 50 plus sunscreen. Okay, I'm going to click on this buy it now button. So now let us place the order right here. It is asking for my details. For the email address over here, let's suppose I'm going to write it as demo@pabblytudes.com. First name is going to be demo, last name is going to be customer01. Okay. For the address over here, I will write it as 112 Old Town. Okay. Then it is asking for city, for which I will select Bhopal. State is going to be Madhya Pradesh. So I'm going to select that state right here. For the pin code, I'm going to enter a dummy pin code. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right over here. Okay. Then it is asking for the shipping method, that is going to be standard, and for my credit card details, I'm going to enter dummy details right here. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on this pay now button, and the order creation is going to be done successfully. So now you can see it says your order is confirmed. As now this order is placed, I'm going to go back to my workflow, and you will find the response has been captured over here in my trigger. If I'm going to tally the response, the total is 2242, and you can see the total is 2242 right over here for the product sunscreen right here. So if I'm going to further scroll down, you can find all the details. The pin code, state was Madhya Pradesh, this was a phone number, the name of the customer is demo customer01. If I'm going to further scroll down, country is India, city is Bhopal, address is 112 Old Town right here. You can see all the details, payment method, and everything is mentioned over here. The product name was sunscreen. As now the response has been captured, Shopify is connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now towards this order, towards this customer, let us send an SMS. For that, I'm going to add an action step, in which from action application, I will select over here as Twilio, because with the help of Twilio, I will be forwarding the SMS. Event is going to be send SMS message. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I'll tell you how you can add a new one. It is asking for account SID, authorization token, and SID again. To have all the details, log into your Twilio account. On the dashboard itself, you'll find the account SID and the token. So I'm going to copy the details and paste over here in the fields. Okay. So now as I've pasted all the details, I'm going to click on this save button, and the connection is going to be created successfully. We have to enter the body of the SMS first. So for the body of the SMS that you want to send, I'm going to write over here as, and you can see right over here, this is the body, hello name. Your Shopify order has been received successfully. We'll notify you once it's shipped. For the data of this name, I'm going to map the data. As you're going to select the field, the previous step is going to appear. Click on it. I'm going to search for the name right over here. This is the name of my customer. I will select the data from my previous response. As now this data has been selected from my previous response of the name, this data right here has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of the new order is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay. Next, for the sender's number, you will find it in your Twilio account. This is the Twilio number. Copy it from here and paste it right here. And for the recipient number, you need to map the data of the phone number right over here of your customer from the order. Okay. But you can see this number that I've entered is a dummy mobile number, so a message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number. So just for the test, you have to map the data. Remember that. Do not enter any data manually in this field. Okay. So just for the test, I am going to enter my mobile number in place of this recipient number to know this workflow is working or not. But remember, you need to map the data. You have to map the data right here. It's mandatory, or else this workflow is of no use for you. So map the data right here, okay? So I'm going to enter my mobile number just for the test right here. As I've done that, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response, So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone, and I will show you how the screenshot and how the message is going to appear to your customer. So let me show you the screenshot on my screen right now. And you can see I've received this another SMS successfully sent from your Twilio trial account. As I've already mentioned, I do not have a paid account with Twilio. That is why I've received this extra sentence with this SMS. Hello, demo customer 01. This was the name of the customer. Your Shopify order has been received successfully. We'll notify you once it's shipped. Okay? So this is the kind of SMS you will receive on your phone as well. And as now we have received the SMS, this means the connection between Shopify and Twilio has now been created successfully. Now whenever you will receive a new order on your Shopify store, automatically towards the customer, an SMS notification is going to be forwarded with the help of Twilio. So now if you have any other questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask all the questions in the comment section below, and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. If you want to use this workflow as a reference link in your business, you will find the shareable link in the description section below of this workflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.